Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export Canva to PowerPoint with animation. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you go ahead and click on share right here. Most commonly, you would go ahead and download it or click on Microsoft PowerPoint. But that's not what we're going to do right now. Okay. We're going to click on download and then make sure that you select MP4 video. Okay. If you want the animation. So if you select PPTX right here, the animation won't play under your PowerPoint. So just click on MP4 and we're going to download the video. Wait for it to load and save it to wherever you want. Okay. And then once done, you can close the browser. And then here we have the video. So what we're going to do next is just open up a PowerPoint. Now at the top, click on Insert. Now in the right panel, click on Video. Insert video from this device. Got to find the downloaded video. Hit on Insert and fit it. Okay, if you want to. Now you can go ahead and hit on Play right here, as you can see. Now when you go ahead and click on Present right here, let's say I'm going to go ahead and add a new slide at first. Okay, Present. When we click on Next, in order to play the animation, we're going to click on the video itself. Also, we have this bar, which we don't like, okay, or we don't want. We're going to fix that. So first up, we're going to fix the clicking method. All right, let's say you press Next right here. Okay, you wanted the video to automatically play. So to fix that, click on the video. All right, now go ahead and go to animations. Now instead of on click, now click on this drop down. Now go ahead and select after previews. Now to remove this, okay, what you're going to do is just go ahead over to slideshow and disable show media controls. Now then just hit on present. As you can see here, let's go back to the first slide. Now I'm going to hit on next. As you can see, we don't have the play button anymore. And that's basically it. That is how you export Canva to PowerPoint with animations. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.